Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert Word document to Google Docs. So let's get started the video. To convert your Word document to Google Doc, at first you need to upload your document into Google Drive. Open your Google Drive, drag and drop your document here. After uploading, right-click on the document and select Open With. Then choose Google Docs. This will open your PDF file in your Google Doc interface. Now click on File at the top corner. Click on Save as Google Docs. This will save your Word document to Google Docs. You can make changes now. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.